Hello dear jade plant lovers. Today I will be talking about what is the best environment for jade plants, what kind of light, temperature, humidity they prefer, and what type of pot and soil are best for these plants. If this is your first time here, I am Juliet, the founder of My City Plants. On this channel, I am sharing with you my best green tips to help you to grow happy and healthy plants. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn the notifications on so you do not miss any of our new videos. There are many different types of jade plants. They are loved by many because of their easygoing character and low watering frequency. They do not need much attention and actually prefer to be ignored, but not completely forgotten. Jade plants are also known as friendship plants because they are easy and fast to propagate and can be gifted to many of your friends and family members. Let's start with what is the ideal light environment for jade plants. Very bright light. Sun exposure is much appreciated by jade plants. East-west sun exposure are great. Sun also adds red or purple color to its leaves. Just keep in mind the window glass magnifies the strength of sun rays, and you would want to provide some space between the window and your plant to avoid leaf burning. When you have sun in your space all day long, which will be south, southeast or southwest exposure, it can be too much even for these sun-loving plants, especially in warm climate areas like Florida or California, and you should place them away from those windows or place them in a shady area right next to the sunny spot, or filter those strong sun rays with shades or sheer curtains. If jade plants do not get enough light, they will stretch their stems, space between leaves gets wider, and plants will look less compact. Next, what is the ideal temperature? They do best when the temperature is steady, somewhere between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but jade plants are pretty hardy. As long as you do not expose them to an extreme heat or frost, the temperature should not be a big issue. Now let's talk about humidity. Jade plants prefer low humidity. It is best to place your jade plants in a room with 30 to 50% humidity. However, it can also thrive in average home humidity. As I said earlier, these plants are pretty hardy. What is the perfect pot for jade plants? A pot with a drainage is a must. Jades, like any other succulents, do not need a big pot. Since they do not need much watering, extra soil in a larger pot will not dry out as fast, and as a result, plants will rot. A pot that is 2-3 inches larger than the plant's root system will do. For jade plants, clay pot or my favorite Lechuza self-watering planters are great. Clay pots are porous, which allows the moisture to evaporate faster. Lechuza planters' irrigation system also provides drainage and allows the oxygen to get to the roots, plus keeps moisture levels balanced. This jade plant is potted in clay pot, and this one is potted in Lechuza self-watering planter. I have recently repotted this beautiful overgrown plant from a smaller size Lechuza self-watering planter into this one. As you can see, this jade plant is growing well, healthy and happy in this type of planter. If you want to see how I have repotted this beautiful plant, watch my previous video next. I will also add the link to this video in the description. So what type of soil should we use for our jade plants? Well-draining or special succulent potting mix. You can also add perlite to your potting mix to provide extra drainage. For this plant I have here, I used good dirt potting mix. This plant has been growing in this potting mix for the past 5 years and is very happy, so I used the same potting mix for repotting. Next and very important part of caring for your jade plants is cleaning. Keeping the soil in your plants clean is very important. Soil should be free of any debris to avoid fungal or any other issues. Dust buildup on leaves blocks light absorption and creates a perfect environment for pests. For my regular weekly or bi-weekly cleaning, I just use duster, but once every month or two, I do a deeper cleaning by wiping leaves with a moist paper towel. During your cleaning routine and when you water your plants, check your plant's leaves, top and under, stems, crevices, and soil for any pest, fungus, or other issues. Any issue you've caught early can be easily fixed. Another very important part of cleaning routine is to remove all yellow or brown leaves. By removing bad leaves, we help our plant not to spend any energy on dying leaves, but instead use its energy on growing new leaves and growing strong. Last but not least is fertilizing. Best to feed your jade plants during its active growth period, spring to summer. Use well-balanced fertilizer at half strength or specially formulated plant food for succulents. Add fertilizer to water each time you water your plants. You can watch my video about when and how to fertilize plants to learn more, and yes, the link is in the video description below. I think I covered all the basics. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Also, I am making separate videos about jade plants. Each video will address different topics like how to water your jade plants, how and when to repot your jade plants, how to divide and propagate them, how to deal with growth and other issues. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on. Take care of yourself, take care of your plants. Thank you for watching and have a green day.